Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to register BBVA app. So let's get started. Open BBVA app. When you open this app, as you can see here on my screen, click become a customer, this option, and then click on the first option here, become a customer. As you can see here, scroll down, click become a customer, click continue this option, and then just wait this one from here, continue. As I say, you have this screen on my screen. Choose for you. If you want to one for you, click continue, and then fill all this information as you can see, like number, NIA or DNI number. Click I have read term and conditions, and then click continue. If you want to use for your children, click this second option, write your minor option, click your continue, and then click continue, fill all the information here, and then click continue. Basically, this is how you can do to register it. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video.